So watch you know guys on those like, share, and subscribe. Listen so just gone out of the room. So never prank car say I'm more think I'm more just think you're more dead. So when she come in, what's the baby give me a kiss? And then we go say, yo, I'm more think, brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. So Mr. People, and just stay tuned. And you say the 1 hour. The 1 hour. Comment below the 1 hour. Comment. They come back to the verse. They come back to the verse. Hello?
What?
You brush your teeth from morning?
Let me brush your teeth. Together.
Brush your teeth and your mouth smell all it.
What?
Your mouth smell all it. Come, open up for me.
For what?
Open up.
For what?
Let me smell it.
For what?
Your mouth smell all it.
What?
You say your mouth smell all it. And then your mouth smell all it. Look at it. No, brush your teeth in your mouth.
Brush your teeth every time. Let me brush your teeth together after.
You don't brush your good.
After I brush your teeth, I give me a kiss. I must feel your mouth smell again.
I feel your mouth.
What?
Who for mouth smell like it?
Feel.
I brush my teeth good and my tongue, brush my tongue good.
So me and I brush your teeth the same time, the same hours.
Brush your teeth again and your
Me
mouth
I brush
smell.
your teeth again to make it smell. You know, go dead, you know.
You see, if the guy road now and somebody smell a mouth, they say, me not tell you, say mouth stink.
Okay, what is thing?
Mouth teeth, man.
You say, how you may get it from? Some brush your
Some
teeth,
more
your
thing.
kids, your parents,
Some more
think
thing.
about transfer over for me.
Some more thing.
Your mouth thing.
I feel more thing. We say,
Your mouth thing, like river time.
smell my mouth.
Look, me not ask you nothing, no, just thinking.
Your mouth thing, man. Go and brush your teeth.
If you want think, make still think. I hear mouth.
But me I smell, when you kiss it, I smell it.
Yeah,
I know
kiss
if
me.
they attack me, I smell it.
Go on and talk about.
You don't smell it? You can't tell me say you don't smell it.
Yeah, man, it's thing. Think right when I river time, make it still thing. Some of like this thing.
Go and brush your teeth.
Definitely not Russian, you want us to think here about it, you know.
Go and brush your
Like
teeth,
you
man.
want disrespect me. Nothing all off with you. This
Go and go for your teeth, brush on your toothpaste.
no, you
I'm gonna go for it, I'm gonna go for it.
Because I like with more things like Larry Batan. You know what?
See, girl, brush your teeth.
No, make it tasty.
Brush your teeth, man. Your mouth smells bad for true honesty.
Make
Your
it
mouth
stay
smells
smell
bad.
bad. You have to kiss me enough to talk to me. Yes, me I told you yes, you talk to me. You like it stinky mouth?
Your mouth smells
You
bad,
like it
man.
stinky mouth?
Come on, man. Dave. Seems can't bother then when people are telling the truth. Eh? Come on, man. Come brush your teeth, man.
I
Come.
don't want to brush your teeth. I say make
Brush
your
your
mouth
teeth.
tasty. Go on with that now.
Can't bother then. Suppose upon the road you did. Eh? Brush your teeth.
Brush on.
Brush your teeth. You said to brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
Brush me.
Brush mine already. Brush your teeth with something now. You tell me what smell bad. All I have to do is brush your teeth. You don't brush your teeth good in the morning time. But you brush your teeth good, your mouth will not smell.
If you don't want to smell my mouth, go on here. Make me alone.
You say brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Your teeth not brush good.
Me alone, me say, me happy with stinky mouth. Go on here.
Brush your teeth. You say brush your teeth. What is this?
What I know, me no youth.
Suppose somebody come over here and sit down this and you chat to them.
Nobody don't come over
That look
here.
embarrassing.
You want nobody don't come here?
We are talk up in them face with them with the thinking, but
Until I already break things that you get it from.
no, me.
After
Brush my
brushing
teeth
and
good.
you kiss.
Brush my teeth good.
So from morning time you wake up, I'm going
Me never smell it.
You never smell it because
No,
you
I
think
never smell
you
it.
just thinking
Oh.
you're thinking sour breath.
Me?
I want to miss it when cut off from me. You must live up here.
Brush your teeth.
When I brush my teeth, if you can't
Brush your
send
teeth.
I'm thinking about one there.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth, man. Is that done now? You're done brush your teeth and you lie down and watch you move. Come on. Brush your teeth and behave. Brush it, brush. Up in your mouth. Up in your mouth, no? Up in your mouth.
Move no. Don't touch me now, you're mouth thing and go to say this. See your far from mouth thing. Go and be up this far, go over this house now.
Brush your teeth. Some people see truth always hurt. See? See teeth brush. You don't want teeth brush? Eh? See? See when you prank, see? Yes, I feel now. Brush your teeth, mommy.
Move.
Brush your teeth. You see?
Move with that.
See? Simple, simple. Could have prank you.
Move with that now.
You don't brush your teeth. See?
Move with some more stink. We have kiss me.
You don't see say a prank?
More
You
thing.
get prank.
More thing.
See it there? This here is a banger. So just like, share and subscribe. See it there. Team Tugger.
Team Johnny.
No? No, don't talk in them prank.
Just thinking, bro.
Team
You're
Tugger.
more think.
And just comment that fully up and I comment and everything.
More stink. You're more think, pressure.
To get pranked, how you feel?
You're more think.
How you feel if you get
Take your damn video.
people? And just like, share and subscribe, run up, watch the whole live video. Because I want the watch time to get some money. Thanks, you see me, we're very, very close. We're very, very close to the goal right now.
More stink.
Just drop a comment. Drop a comment. Full up a comment at Team Tugger. You see me?
Team
Who never have faith in me? Now have faith in now. Yeah.
Team Johnny all the way.
Just know say that one you bang. Just look out to the next one.
Say what you wanna say to me.